Sometimes you are stocked up in the market looking for where to find possible entry. Even after your analysis, you don't know how to go about your execution of the market because you open your chart and you meet a price situation just as this. You just realize that price keep buying. You don't even know where to mark your point of interest. And you are wondering, how do you find entry in this type of market scenario? The truth is, price can be in a strong bullish movement such as this, and as a trader you are looking for opportunity to find entry. The question is, what can you do when you come across this particular price scenario? So in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can find entry in a strong bullish or bearish market situation. Looking at this, price has been in a strong bullish move, so it becomes a challenge for you to find your entry. For instance, this on a 4-hour time frame, this is a smart money cube, which is our point of interest. After that smart money cube, we have this fair value gap as our next point of interest, and then here we have this other block as our next point of interest. So what do we want to see? We want to see price come into this zone, give us a candlestick behavior for us to buy back to the upside. Or price can break this zone and then has to pull back into this zone, give us a candlestick behavior for us to continue, or a break of structure on a lower time frame for us to continue to buy. But how long will you have to wait for price to pull into this zone? So for you to find entry in a strong bullish or bearish market, you can move to a lower time frame. For instance, on a 1-hour time frame such as this, what do? All you need is for you to identify a pullback. And what is the pullback all about? The pullback is for you to identify an opposite candle. An opposite candle can be a candle such as this. In this bullish movement, you will now look forward for a bearish candle. So after this bearish candle formation, and it closes as a bearish candle, you will be waiting for the next candle formation to close as a bullish candle. And then look at what happened after this particular candle. The next candle that follows closes. After this particular candle, the next subsequent candle that follows closes as a bullish candle. So when you have this bullish candle engulfing this, you now make your entry. So here automatically becomes your entry point for this particular price scenario, and your stop loss is going to be here, and you can see how this plays out beautifully. So this is exactly how you can find your entry in a price scenario such as this. Another way to do this is that you move to your 15-minute time frame and look for a chart pattern. What type of pattern are you looking for? You are looking for a bullish flag pattern because this is an uptrend. And here we have a typical bullish flag pattern. So this is a bullish flag pattern. All you need to do is for you to wait for price to break out of the pattern. and then you will make your entry. You have your CCI confirmation from this zone. Price pullback, you pick your trend line and then you mark it out like this. Immediately price break out of it, closes bullish, you go in for your entry. You can see that, and this you can use to take advantage in a strong bullish price scenario. So while you wait for a pullback into your point of interest, this can be your advantage as well as finding entry in a strong bullish trend or a strong bearish trend. So you see that this sharp pattern becomes your advantage of how you will keep finding entries. In nature of this trend. So all you need to do, price break out of it. You see that, look at where price is coming from. Price break out of it, you make your entry, and you can keep on doing this consistently as far as the trend is concerned. And in this scenario, I have a live trade scenario, and I want to explain to you how exactly I was able to come up into this particular live trade scenario. How do I do this? Now first, look at my 1 hour time frame. On my 1 hour time frame, price has been giving us a bearish trend. You will see that price is giving us a series of a lower high, a lower low. So the question is, why did I buy? What I did not look at the 1 hour time frame. My focus was on the 15-minute time frame. And remember, market is fractal, in the sense that you can interpret trend and structure on any time frame. So in this scenario, I realized that price left this zone, give us a low, give us a high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, we have a new higher low, we have a new higher high. So when I realize that price is playing out in this order, I say to myself, then this is a structure. Price is playing out in a structural way. So we have higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is what I saw, a new higher low and a new higher high. So when I see this, I realize that price is playing out structurally on the 15-minute time frame. I decide to take advantage of it. So I quietly now identify my point of interest. So if price now left this zone, it means that this is my order block. This becomes my order block, because here is a higher low, this is a new higher high. So here is a new higher low, and then price gave us a new higher high. So what did I do? I was patient enough, price returned back into my order block. So this price returned back into my order block, and immediately this price returned into my order block. I look forward to see some rejections of the candle, and then here I saw this pin rejection. So when I get this pin rejection, I make my entry, and I use my CCI to confirm my trade entry, and that is how I'm able to find entry, execute my trade. You can see my stop loss there, and this is the outcome of the trade. So I'm going to close it because obviously I am trading against the trend. Alright, because the price is on a downtrend and this should be an order block. This is an order block because this particular order block has taken this liquidity of this downside to push price down here, and here now is a lower high which has already given us a new lower low. So there should be a sort of rejection or whatsoever, although there is a liquidity sitting here, but knowing too well that I'm against the trend, I won't be holding this trade for a long time. I believe you have learned something new. Please do not forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video.